Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Thursday. It is another trend day, so I'm going to go into 10 amazing digital products, specifically Canva templates that you guys can sell on Etsy, and they are all trending. These are things which are selling like hotcakes. They're coming up in the search as sort of suggested terms, so I really wanted to highlight them to you, and I'm going to jump in. So the very first one is Airbnb templates. So these are really cool. They're very, very popular. I've noticed this trend for a while. So as you can see, sort of host bundles are really popular. You've got sort of a bundle over here. Welcome book for guests. You've got a welcome sign as well that sort of Airbnb people can buy, print off and edit, or buy, edit and then print off and pop in like their Wi-Fi password, things like that. So this is definitely a growing niche on Etsy. I think it's really cool. Look at this, is like a little thank you for staying with us review card, which is cool. So yeah, that's a great one. Moving on to number 2. So planners are very, very hot right now because we are coming up to the end of the year. It is currently the 16th of December, so we're coming up to Christmas and people are looking for planner templates. So 1, make their own planners, and 2, make planners to sell. So it's if you don't know about the planner niche on Etsy, it is very, very popular. It's a booming industry. There's lots of different types of planners on here. We've got gratitude journal planner, printable daily planner, the ultimate ebook lead magnet. We've got lots of beautiful different planners, self-care planner. So yeah, another very popular niche. Something else I've noticed is trending is currently highlights. Now these are definitely lower price point, but they're very, very popular and people are selling a lot of them. So you really do get that high volume with them. So these are some great examples. You can see the neutral tones and the pinks are really shining as usual on Etsy. Those are very, very popular colors. So yeah, Instagram highlights. Social media as a term in general is really trending. So in here we have like Facebook posts, stories, Instagram templates. It's quite broad. Obviously you can see within this search term we've got things like yoga, fitness, hair care. So they are sort of niche to the industry, which is really interesting. So maybe that's something you might consider if you're thinking of making some social media templates. You could sort of make it for specific businesses to really shine and call out to them from the search. We then have Canva YouTube thumbnails, which are really popular at the moment. I've noticed that YouTube is becoming more searched on Etsy every single day. It wasn't so much searched about 2 years ago. Now it's massive on there. I think there's a lot more people sort of coming onto the platform, which is really exciting. So it's definitely a growth industry on Etsy. YouTube thumbnails and also YouTube banners for people to brand themselves. That is a really cool thing to do. Obviously we are coming up to Christmas, so it was expected there was going to be some sort of Christmas template in here. So Canva Christmas photo card is currently trending. You can see there's lots of lovely designs in here. Workbooks are also trending. So basically workbooks for coaches and course creators to create their own workbooks from. So these are the templates that they would use to create their own workbooks. Maybe it's for a launch, maybe it's for a challenge, maybe it's for a course, but they are definitely trending. So lots and lots of neutral tones in this search, some pinks as well. So these ones typically are higher price points. So if you're looking for sort of a higher price point template, this might be the one for you. Ebooks, which are very similar to workbooks, but yeah, ebooks, so people can create their own sort of ebooks and lead magnets and things like that. So this one is trending as well. Lots of lovely designs in there. They're all quite sort of chunky, like that's 80 pages. So there's a lot of pages in these ebooks, 70 pages. This one's 24 pages. But yeah, 129 workbook pages. So that one is obviously, it must be quite competitive because I think all the sellers are kind of be like, I've got more pages than you, and trying to make those sales. But again, that is a higher price point product that you could sort of sell on Etsy if you're looking for something like that. Then we have Instagram, which is trending massively as usual. So separate from social media, just niching to Instagram templates and using that in your keywords is very, very clever at the moment because that is, yeah, it's massive. And you can see these sellers have done a really great job of bundling They've bundled some stories, some highlights, price lists, and posts into the one product. They've made it a higher price point because of that, and it's just really appealing to customers. So that's a really cool thing to do as well. Oh, that thumbnail's great. Really stands out. And finally, we have Pinterest templates. So again, it does fall in social media, but it is trending as its own term. So it's a great one. Pinterest pins are very popular, specifically with Etsy sellers, because Etsy sellers typically love Pinterest. It's kind of like our social media hangout spot. So lots of lovely things in here as well. So I hope you enjoyed the trend review from today. I hope it gave you some ideas of what is currently trending and some digital products you might want to sell on Etsy. I have made this as part of a series. So one, I bring out trend videos every single Thursday. So if you're looking to stay on top of trends, definitely subscribe to my channel, because I do bring that out. I also put my trends on Instagram. So if you are wanting to follow me on Instagram, I pop them up as carousel. So if that's sort of easier for you to grab that information that way, I have them on Instagram. This is part of a series on how to grow your Etsy store, so I will pop a link to that playlist there. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Goodbye.